Hi, this is Katie here at Juvly. Today we're doing some Botox. So today we're treating crow's feet. It's been about 3 months since our client came in last to have her crow's feet treated, which is pretty typical. We usually treat them about every 3 months. So touching them up again today. So a wrinkle relaxer, typically Botox in this case, or sometimes Dysport. We're just relaxing those muscles. So we're inhibiting them from being able to contract hard enough that when you make these faces, then you create those lines. So over a whole lifetime of making the normal faces that you make every single day, smiling, eating, talking, whatever, the lines end up staying. So with this, we're relaxing that muscle, and in this case, kind of like from here to here, so that we don't get these crow's feet lines. So Dysport or Botox typically lasts about 3 months, and that's what we recommend, is that you come in every 3 months to have it done. And that's it, she's all done. So she'll have these little bumps here for about 5-10 minutes, and then they'll go away and nobody will even know that she was treated today.
Just a slight pinching. I had Botox about 3 months ago, and it's started to wear off a little bit. I smile a lot, so that's not a bad thing, but I don't need those wrinkles around my eyes.